After the mission of Ilyas alayhi salam, the struggle against disbelief did not end. A new prophet rose among Bani Israel, carrying the torch of guidance. This is the story of Ilyas alayhi salam, a prophet of faith, miracles, and leadership. Hazrat Ilyas alayhi salam was one of the noble prophets sent to guide Bani Israel. Allah honored him with prophethood after the mission of Hazrat Ilyas alayhi salam. The Quran remembers him among the righteous servants of Allah. After the time of Ilyas alayhi salam rose a leader among his people. He continued the mission of calling people to worship of Allah alone. With patience and wisdom, he reminded them of the path of faith. Ilyas alayhi salam guided the believers with justice and sincerity. He taught them obedience to Allah and righteousness in their lives. Through his leadership, many hearts returned to the worship of the one Creator.